Okay, aloha and good morning. I'm going to go take you on a little walk over here and show you something that's really cool to do to your hair. Say hi to Hody first. Okay, so the people that are here right now, they're part of the 21-day Detox Rejuvenation Retreat, and they're from actually all the way from New York, so we're going to go sneak up on them right now and see what they're doing. They're taking Cactus and they're shampooing the hair. It's Cactus that we grow here. Okay, I'm going to show everybody what you're doing here. Alright, explain what you're doing here. This is Gloria and Theo from New York.
This is cactus plant. Made a shampoo. Just peel the skin off, put in the blender, blend it. You get a thick, soapy consistency. You put it into the hair and just massage the scalp and comb the hair and make the hair very soft, and it helps grow the hair and do everything else. Have a lot of vitamins. Yeah.
It's a little messy, but
I did it messy. Yeah.
No, that looks good though. She's having fun.
Yeah.
I saw her smiling when you were giving her a massage on the head there. So this works really good as what, a conditioner and a shampoo?
It's a conditioner and shampoo in one. Yeah.
And you just took the big pieces of cactus and you didn't add anything to it. You just
Nothing,
blended
no
it.
water, nothing. It has everything in it already. You just make a nice soapy consistency for you.
How does it feel, Theo? Besides,
comfortable.
And it smells good too. It's got like a nice vegetable-y, cactusy smell.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that.
I'm scared. This is the second time I'm massaging.
She's got a nice puddle down there.
Yeah.
So it's got to be good for your skin. It's got everything.
It's good for your skin. It's even good to eat. You could use it when you're juicing. You could put a piece in your juicer. It's very good. It's almost because it's in the aloes family.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And like you were saying before, it's got like a mucoid, or we call like a mucus.
Yes.
Texture.
Yeah.
So this actually does clean the hair too and condition in one?
Yes.
And you leave it on for about, you said up to about an hour or so?
You can leave it on for 10 minutes to an hour.
Okay. So this is one of your secret, I've never seen this before. This is great.
Yeah.
So you've been doing this for a while?
You can always wash. I've been using this for my hair.
Okay.
Yeah. She's
All
using
right.
it for the first
So
time.
here's another natural way to wash and shampoo and condition everything, and get a massage while you're getting it done.
This is my second massage.
All right, there's the end of the rainbow there. Okay, anything you guys want to say? First time Theo's been on film.
Thank you.
All right. Okay. Smile.
There we go.
Okay. That was good. That's the first time I've ever seen that. That was really nice to see something new. We're all learning. Everybody's trading secrets and disciplines, ideas that actually make sense. So I'm going back to edit some videos and some lectures that we just did. And you can see my little morning lineup here. This is my drink that I'm going to have here. This is full lemon and MSM. And this is a turmeric drink. You can see the turmeric at the bottom. We showed you how to make that yesterday on video. And here's part of my breakfast tea right now with psyllium, chia seeds, yerba mate, silica, magnesium, all my stuff for the morning. Okay, there we go. You can see I got, well, one, not two, but three computers going here at the same time. One's for editing, one's for researching, and the other one's just for general stuff that flows across the desk, emails. Okay, we'll see you, and aloha.